Hi, my name is Hong, the leader of this group, and today I will teach how to make half-boiled egg. First, we have the ingredient here, the water, the egg, the white pepper, and the soy sauce. Secondly, we heat up the water. Okay, we let the boiling water until like this now. The big bubble is coming up, so we turn off. Then we put the egg into it. After we put the egg inside the boiling water, then we time out with 4 minutes. Start now. Okay, the time is up, so we put it up. The egg is quite hot, so we wash it up with some water to cool down the temperature, and then we crack the egg. Then we put a little bit of 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of soy sauce, like soy sauce, like this. Then a little bit of the white pepper.
Hello everyone, my name is Zhou Yawei. Today I'm going to teach you tomato scrambled egg. First we need 2 eggs or tomato, a little oil, chicken essence, salt and sugar, and vinegar. Scrambled eggs. Stir scrambled eggs for spare. shot put.
Hello everyone, today we will learn two simple sentences. The first one is my name is Ji Xinrui and the second one is I come from China. The first sentence in Chinese is 我的名字是季新蕊. I will write the Chinese pinyin. 我的名字是季新蕊。My name is 我的名字是 The second one is I come from China 我来自中国。I come from 我来自 China 中国，我来自中国。Thank you for everyone to listening.
Hello, my name is Jin Ziqi, and now I will show the how to play guitar. Okay, this song have 5 songs, and the first song, the left hand is free and just use the right hand, and 1, 2, 3, the third line just play it, and the second use left hand, 1, 2, the second grade, and 1, 2, 3, the third line just play it, and the third step. Just this hand is free too, just use this hand and 1, 2 play it. And the last one, because the 4th step and 5th step is same, use this hand and 1, 2, 3 the third grade and 1, 2 the second line, just play 2 seconds. Okay, now they have 5 songs in this song.
Today, I will teach you how to do some DIY craft using waste materials.
I am Nur Zafir binti Muhammad Zanajas with matrix number BB20110503, and today I will be showing you the basic steps of Taekwondo, which includes the stretches and the types of kicks and punches. Fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Hi, I'm Jiang Yi. I will teach how to draw an apple.
Are you feeling bored at home and don't know what to do? Even coloring with crayons feels boring to you? Fret not. I am Priyakar Sachdeva and I'm going to teach you a new coloring technique using crayons. I'm going to teach you how to blend the right way using crayons. Alright, let's proceed with the video. The first technique is straight down to up, where you will begin coloring the dark color from the bottom, followed by the medium color in the center and the light color on the top. From technique 2, as you can see, the difference from technique 1 is that instead of going straight up, we will be going in circular motions straight up. In this method, we will be coloring by following the shape of the object we are coloring. This is the final outcome after applying the 3 blending techniques while coloring this drawing.